From this video you will learn how to cook plain chocolate. For 6 people, use 1 quart of milk, 2 ounces of chocolate, 1 tablespoonful of cornstarch, 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar, and 2 tablespoonfuls of hot water. Mix the cornstarch with 1 gill of the milk. Put the remainder of the milk on to heat in the double boiler. When the milk comes to the boiling point, stir in the cornstarch and cook for 10 minutes. Have the chocolate cut in fine bits, and put it in a small iron or granite-ware pan. Add the sugar and water, and place the pan over a hot fire. Stir constantly until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Add this to the hot milk, and beat the mixture with a whisk until it is frothy. Or, the chocolate may be poured back and forth from the boiler to a pitcher, holding high the vessel from which you pour. This will give a thick froth. Serve at once. If you prefer not to have the chocolate thick, omit the cornstarch. If condensed milk is used, substitute water for the milk named above and add 3 tablespoonfuls of condensed milk when the chocolate is added. Plain chocolate. 1 ounce or square of chocolate, 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar, 1/8 teaspoonful of salt, 1 pint of boiling water, 1 pint of milk. Place the chocolate, sugar and salt in the agate chocolate pot or saucepan. Add the boiling water and boil 3 minutes, stirring once or twice, as the chocolate is not grated. Add the milk and allow it time to heat, being careful not to boil the milk, and keep it closely covered, as this prevents the scum from forming. When ready to serve, turn in chocolate pitcher and beat with Dover egg beater until light and foamy. Happy cooking and bon appétit! Please subscribe for more videos and thank you for watching.